Hello, my name is Mohammed and I'm a student of Loyola University, Chicago. Okay, let's take a look on my GitHub account and I have worked on a Rails application for an organization of service guru few months ago, and it's a private repository, so I'm not going to open it. This is my test homework 1. Let's take a look on it and what I have done so far. Okay, I have git log and it is showing author, my name, my email, and the date which I have worked on this. Okay, I have made a repository my test, and let's take a look on git tutorial. Yes, let's start. Git help log. When we write git help log, it has opened the URL git log, manual page, name, description, and a lot of things here we can see. Now come to the next one. I have also done this for my name and email. I have put here, that's why it is showing my name, email, because I have put here a few minutes ago. Okay, let's start again. What I have done before is cd command and goes back to my documents, and to come back on my test folder I have to write cd my test. Oh yeah, it has opened my test folder, and now get init command. It will initialize reinitialized existing git repository in c.git. I have already initialized it, that's why it is saying it has reinitialized. Now to the next point. Now I have to do the git add command, modify some files, then add their updated content to the index. Okay, come and see here the listings files I have, index.html. okay, now we write here git add and index.html. Okay, let's go and change some coding here. Dash page 1, and we'll write here HW2. Sorry, that's to my homework 1, and we'll close H2 heading here, and we'll make changes, and we'll come here to see what to do next. Get difference diff where is that? Okay, let's see. Here, going to the folder, we have index file. Just double click here and it has opened and yes, my homework 1 test page 1 that we have done. And now we'll do the get there cache it. Okay, what it is telling us, different get a index.html, the index.html, and it is telling that H1 test page 1. Here we go. This is the difference. Okay, without dash cached, get diff will show you any changes that you have made but not yet added to the index. So it is giving this line text page 1 in green. You can also get a brief summary of the situation with get status. Okay, we'll now right here get status and let's see what happens. Oh, it is showing a branch master. Your branch is ahead of origin master by 1 commit. Use get push to publish your local commits. Changes to be committed, use get reset head file index modified index.html. This is file name. Changes not state for commit. Get add checkout test file and to discover changes in working directory. Okay, now come to the next one. Okay, what we do here is get add and file name is index.html. No, we should discard these changes and let's see what happens. We are not going to add it. Check out dash file name is index.html as shown above. Okay, it is done. Now let's see what is happening here. Now double click this file and see test page 1 and the old page which we have written here, my HW1 is not coming in a new page, which is here, test page 1. Okay, we have now successfully done this get checkout command. Now come to the next one, which is okay, get commit A. If you need to make any further adjustment, do so now, and then add any newly modified content to the index. Finally, commit your changes with git commit, and this will again prompt you for the message to describe this change, and then record a new version of the project. Alternatively, instead of running git add beforehand, you can use git commit -a, which will automatically notice any modified but not new files, add them to the index and commit all in one stop. Okay, now going ahead, git tracks content, not files. Now we are going to view the project's history. At any point you can view the history of your changes using git log. If you also want to see complete diffs at each step, use git log -p. Okay, git log, we'll try git log. It will show me commit and this added.html I have done before. Initial commit, okay. And what else we have to do? As soon as we have not done any changes into index.html, we have to discard changes in working directory. We wrote here checkout. That's why our log is not showing the file name here. It is showing the previous file name which I have done an hour ago. Okay, now write git log -p and see what will happen. Oh, it is showing added.html and HW1. It is showing all the index.html code, and because there is no changes, that's why all this is in green content. All the code is in a green color. Okay, and often the overview of the change is useful to get a feel of each step. Git log, stat, and summary. We can also experiment this. Managing branches. Okay, we should save this page. We have done my HW1. Okay, now start to the managing branches. Git branch experimental. Initial commit. Oh, it's coming. Okay, here we go. A note on commit messages. Though not required, it is a good idea. New file mode. Okay, my test and HW1. It's now came here, homework 1, which I have written and saved the changes on this page. Managing branches. A single Git repository can maintain multiple branches of development. To create a new branch named experimental, use git branch experimental. I have written here git branch experimental. Okay, if you now run git branch, you will get a list of all existing branches, experimental and master. Git branch. Git branch, here it is. Oh, it is successful. Experimental and our old master. Experimental branch is the one you just created, and the master branch is the default branch that was created for you automatically. This is the static mods, the branch you are currently on. Okay, we are on the master branch. Git checkout experimental. Git checkout. To switch to the experimental branch, we have to write git checkout experimental. Index switch to index.html, switch to branch experimental. Okay, to switch to the branch, now edit file, commit the change and switch back to the master branch. Edit file, git commit A, get checkout master. Checkout to switch, edit file. Okay, let's go to our folder, my tester, my test folder. Here, where is the file? Wait a minute. Okay, let's go and edit our file. Clicking here, and we'll type one more. H1 successfully done, and we have done changes. So let's save it. Now go back here, edit file, and git commit -a, git checkout master. Let's see what happened. Git commit -a. Please enter the commit message for your changes. Lines starting with hash will be ignored and an empty message aborts the commit. On branch experimental, use git reset had to on stage modified. Okay. Please enter the commit message for your changes. We'll type here H2 what is going on? We have typed here H2 changes, and what we will do is to changes on branch experimental, changes to be committed, use git reset had file to unstage. Okay.